In this video, I'm going to show you how to send GIFs in Slack so you can make your conversations more fun, expressive, and engaging. Whether you're chatting with teammates, celebrating wins, or just reacting quickly, GIFs are a great way to communicate without typing long messages. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to send GIFs in Slack confidently in just a few seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to the workspace where you want to send a GIF. This could be a team channel, a private channel, or even a direct message with a coworker. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. On the left side of the message box, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon gives you quick access to additional options, like file uploads and media. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. When you click it, a menu will appear with different choices. From this menu, click on Upload from your computer. This option allows you to send files directly from your device, including GIF files that you've downloaded or saved. After clicking Upload from your computer, a file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your GIF is stored. Select the GIF file you want to send, then click Open. Slack will now begin uploading and processing the GIF. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this might take a second or two. Once the GIF finishes processing, you'll see a preview of it inside the message box. At this point, you can add an optional message or caption if you want to give context to the GIF. When you're ready, click the Send Now button. As soon as you do that, the GIF will be posted in the channel or conversation for everyone to see. That's it. You've successfully sent a GIF in Slack using your computer. This is a simple but powerful way to bring more personality into your workplace chats. Just remember to keep things professional and appropriate, especially in work-related channels. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you send GIFs often, you might want to keep a small folder on your computer with your favorite GIFs so you can access them quickly whenever you need one. This can save you time and make your Slack conversations more engaging. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to send GIFs in Slack step by step. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.